How to get rid of fire ants naturally. Use lemon water, they are driving ants away. Combine some fresh lemon juice with water and spray the combine in the area impacted by the ant invasion. You might want to spray the area a couple of times each day to guarantee the effectiveness of this specific natural method. Use vinegar. Like what you will use the fresh lemon juice, combine some vinegar with water and spray the resulting mixture round the ants' trail. The strong scent from the vinegar will repel the ants. Bear in head, however, that you'd also smell the vinegar, so just use this specific method should you aren't troubled through the smell. Dish soap is dangerous for ants. Dish soaps and dish detergents are dangerous to ants because many of the chemicals they contain can break lower protective layers from the ant's exoskeleton. This might eventually cause lack of fluids for that ants. With this particular method, you'll combine some dish soap with water and spray the resulting solution in the entry how from the ant path. Keep the drain clean. Essential tip is to maintain your drain clean of dirty dishes. Carrying this out, however, would increase the likelihood of an ant invasion, so try to clean your dishes as soon as you are through with them. You do not want any food leftovers to draw in the ants.